She's coming to life.
Report status.
Magnificent.
All systems indicate
Fire it
stable
up.
performance.
Let's roll.
Copy that. Proceed with the test run.
The damage here looks extensive.
Yeah.
It's worse than we thought, especially the boiler. Do we even try to move it? Keep it steady on the wheel. Adjusting pressure. Okay, move up to the boiler now. Copy that.
Keep it even, we're almost done with the front. Got it, maintaining pressure. The locomotive is exposed. Focus on stabilizing the tracks. Let's clear these logs, keep the machine moving.
All right, pressure's holding.
Looks good.
Looks good.
Good.
We did it.
Good.
Finally.
Good.
Decades in the making.
Keep the canvas moving. Check the welds, we need to move faster. Bring that power line over here.
Keep it steady. Watch the cabling. We're almost there. Maintain the lift. Keep it slow. Watch the turn. Back it up slightly, Mike.
Yeah.
Almost there. Just a bit more. The primary systems look corroded. Check the feed water pump. The gasket's blown. We'll start with the main boiler inspection.
The analysis matches the structural blueprints.
Ready the hydraulic lift.
Be careful with the valve assembly.
The holographic overlay indicates a perfect fit. Activate the hydraulic seals. Installing premium paneling now. Excellent. The future luxury is taking shape. The gold accents are perfectly polished. The headlight is secured, ready for the final inspection. It's a true masterpiece.
Keep it steady. Down just a little more. Easy, easy. Watch your fingers. Now, secure the bolts. She's coming to life. Magnificent. Fire it up! Let's roll!
All right, fire it up. Steam pressure's good. She's moving. Here we go.
Report status. All systems indicate stable performance. Copy that. Proceed with the test run.
The boiler pressure looks low here. We need to start with the wheel mechanisms first. I'll mark that on the plans. Agreed, let's focus on the engine block. All right, hold it. Careful with that line. Looks good, let's roll. Slow and steady, watch the rust. Keep it moving.
The restoration is magnificent.
Indeed, a stark contrast to what we found here.
But there are so many more.
The rust penetration here is deep. We'll need to reinforce the structural elements. Noted, the roof needs extensive repairs. Let's mark these sections. All right, lowering now. Steady. Watching it, clear the way. Almost there, slow it down. Secure the fittings, quickly. Right, ease her into place. Watch the cables. Needs a lot of work. Hey, we'll get her running again. Keep it steady there. All right, looks good. Needs a bit more torque. Careful with that edge. Keep it steady. To the left a bit.
Okay, got it.
Push it in now. Perfect. Looks good.
Look at it go. Magnificent. Cheers to the glass carriage. To a new era. Never seen anything like it.
Hold it there. Just a little to the left. Perfect. Let's get this scaffold out. Almost done here.
The grand opening is a success, indeed, but these new plans take our vision further. Imagine a dining car twice the size, stretching across the continent.
The expansion to the Pullman service requires meticulous planning. We've accounted for the sleeping quarters and the added dining car. Ensure the blueprints align with the engine's capabilities.
The vintage 36964 is ready for its expansion.
The diagnostic arm is detecting a hydraulic variance on axle 3.
Initiate the recalibration sequence. Check the sensor feed.
The landscape outside is breathtaking today. Truly magnificent, the perfect complement to this journey. Have you read this book? It's excellent.
We need more stone here. All right, moving it now. Secure that scaffolding tight. Keep it steady. Hold it right there. Cleared a couple. Connected. Keep it steady. Guide it in. Watch the alignment. Looks good.
The proposed route faces a significant challenge in the northern pass. Yes, that's where we need to strengthen the bridge structure.
all aboard for the westbound express. It's quite a crowd today, isn't it? Look, the luxury train is arriving now. Yes, finally. It's magnificent. Let's get ready to board.
Welcome back to the restored station. It's magnificent. 100 years strong, thanks to the community.